Mao. Lesson 25. Professor Whiskers here with an essential time lesson. You learned days of the week in Lesson 18. You learned months in Lesson 20. Today we learn something you use constantly. Time expressions. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, morning, afternoon, evening, night. These words help you talk about when things happen, not which day or month, but the time relative to now. When did you eat? This morning. When are you leaving? Tomorrow. When was your meeting? Yesterday afternoon. You need these words every single day. By the end of this lesson, you can talk about past, present, and future time. You can describe parts of the day. You can say when you do things. Let us learn time expressions. First, the three most important time words: past, present, and future. The big three: yesterday, the day before today, the past, what already happened, today, right now, this day, the present, what is happening, tomorrow, the day after today, the future, what will happen. Think of it like this: yesterday is behind you, it is finished, done, in the past. Today is right now, this moment. You are living it. Tomorrow is ahead of you. It is coming. Not here yet. In the future. Practice saying them. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. Now in sentences. I went to the store yesterday. I am studying English today. I will go to the bank tomorrow. See how they work? Yesterday for past, today for present, tomorrow for future. Cats live in the present moment mostly. But we understand time. We know when dinner was yesterday and when dinner is tomorrow. Let us practice yesterday, talking about the past. Yesterday sentences. I worked yesterday. She visited her mother yesterday. We ate pizza yesterday. They arrived yesterday. The meeting was yesterday. Note about grammar. When you use yesterday, you usually use past tense verbs: work, visited, ate, arrived, was. You will learn past tense fully in future lessons. For now, just notice the pattern: yesterday plus time. You can be more specific by adding morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday evening. Yesterday night. I went to the gym yesterday morning. She had a meeting yesterday afternoon. We watched a movie yesterday evening. He worked late yesterday night. Questions with yesterday. What did you do yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Did you work yesterday? Was the store open yesterday? Now, let us practice today. Talking about right now, the present, today sentences. I'm working today. She is visiting her mother today. We are eating pizza today. They are arriving today. The meeting is today. Today is flexible. You can use it for things happening right this moment, or things happening at any point during this day. I am studying right now today, or I have a meeting later today. Both use today. Both are correct. Today plus time. Today is more specific with time words. This morning. This afternoon. This evening. Tonight. Notice, we do not say today morning. We say this morning. We do not say today night. We say tonight. I exercised this morning. I have a meeting this afternoon. I am cooking dinner this evening. I am going to bed early tonight. Questions with today. What are you doing today? Where are you going today? Do you work today? Is the store open today? Now, let us practice tomorrow. Talking about the future. Tomorrow's sentences. I will work tomorrow. She will visit her mother tomorrow. We will eat pizza tomorrow. They will arrive tomorrow. The meeting is tomorrow. Tomorrow plus time. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night. I will go to the gym tomorrow morning. She has a meeting tomorrow afternoon. We will watch a movie tomorrow evening. He will work late tomorrow night. Note Papa will. Tomorrow often uses will for future actions. I will go. She will visit. We will eat. You can also say, I am going tomorrow. She is visiting tomorrow. Both are correct. You will learn future tense fully in later lessons. Questions with tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? Do you work tomorrow? Will the store be open tomorrow? Now let us learn the parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning. Morning is from when you wake up until around noon, 12 o'clock midday. The sun rises. People eat breakfast. Start work. Go to school. Morning is the early part of the day. Good morning. This is what you say to people in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon is from noon until around 5 or 6 o'clock. Afternoon. That is why it is called afternoon. The middle part of the day. People eat lunch. Continue working. Kids are in school. Good afternoon. This is the afternoon greeting. Evening. Evening is from around 5 or 6 o'clock until you go to sleep. The sun sets. It gets dark. People finish work, eat dinner, relax. Evening's the late part of the day, but before bed. Good evening. This is the evening greeting. Night. Night is when you sleep. Dark time. From bedtime until morning. Most people are asleep at night. It is quiet. The moon is out. Stars are visible. Good night. This is what you say before sleeping. Not a greeting, a farewell. Important distinction. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are greetings. When you see someone, good night is not a greeting. It is a goodbye. When you are leaving or going to sleep, do not say good night when you arrive somewhere at night. Say good evening. Now let us practice using these time periods in sentences. The pattern: in the plus time period, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Note, we say at night, not in the night. Exception to the pattern. Practice sentences. I exercise in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I sleep at night. More specific sentences. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 in the afternoon. I cook dinner at 6 in the evening. I go to bed at 10 at night. Combining with days. You can combine time periods with days of the week. I go to the gym on Monday morning. She has a meeting on Tuesday afternoon. We have class on Wednesday evening. He works on Thursday night. Or even more specific. I went to the doctor yesterday morning. I have a meeting this afternoon. I'm going to the movies tomorrow evening. Questions. When do you exercise? In the morning, when do you eat lunch? In the afternoon, when do you relax? In the evening, when do you sleep? At night. Let us learn an important pattern with this and that for time. This for present time. This morning means earlier today or coming up today. this afternoon means today's afternoon. This evening means today's evening. Tonight means this night. Today's night. This week. The current week. This month. The current month. This year. The current year. Examples. I saw him this morning. Earlier today. I have a meeting this afternoon. Later today. We are eating out this evening. Today's evening. I am tired tonight. This night. Today. That for past time. That morning. Means a morning in the past. Not today. That afternoon. A past afternoon. That evening. A past evening. That night. A past night. Examples. I remember that morning. A specific morning in the past. That afternoon was beautiful. Talking about a past afternoon. We talked that evening. A past evening. That night was cold. A past night. The difference. This connects can now, today, current time. That refers to a specific time in the past. Two more important time words. Last and next. Last means the most recent past. Last night. The night just before this morning. Last week. The week before this week. Last month. The month before this month. Last year. The year before this year. Last Monday. The most recent Monday that passed. Examples. I slept well last night. I traveled last week. My birthday was last month. I graduated last year. I saw her last Monday. Next means the coming future. Next week. The week after this week. Next month. The month after this month. Next year. The year after this year. Next Monday. The coming Monday. The next one. Note. We do not usually say next night. We say tomorrow night or tonight. Examples. I am traveling next week. My birthday is next month. I will graduate next year. I will see her next Monday. Quick comparison. Last night. The night that just passed. Tonight. This current night. Tomorrow night. The next night coming. Last week. The week before. This week. Right now. Next week. The week coming. Homework time. Task 1. Write 5 sentences about yesterday. What did you do? Example. I worked yesterday. I ate breakfast yesterday morning. I went shopping yesterday afternoon. I watched TV yesterday evening. I went to bed early yesterday night. Task 2. Write 5 sentences about today. What are you doing? Example. I am studying English today. I exercised this morning. I will eat lunch this afternoon. I am cooking dinner this evening. I will read a book tonight. Task 3. In the comments, answer free questions. What did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? What will you do tomorrow? Example. Yesterday I worked and went to the gym. Today I am studying English and relaxing. Tomorrow I will visit my mother and go shopping. Share your time expressions in English. In Lesson 26, we learn family vocabulary. Mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin. Then you can talk about your family. My mother is a teacher. My brother lives in Tokyo. I have 2 sisters. But today you learned essential time expressions. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, morning, afternoon, evening, night, this, that, last, next. These words are the foundation of talking about time. When you combine them with days, months, and actions, you can describe your entire life. I worked yesterday morning. I am resting this afternoon. I will travel next week. My birthday is next month. That is you talking about time in English. Practice using these words every day. When you wake up, think, what did I do yesterday? What am I doing today? What will I do tomorrow? Think in English. Speak in English. See you tomorrow. Or should I say, see you next time. Meow.